Here we are in the speed shop. Let's take a look at this 1964 Chevy Corvette. We're making it more reliable, more user-friendly, easier just to get in and go. You don't have the problems of an old car when you gotta sit there and pump the gas and start it up, wait for it to warm up. First and foremost, every vehicle that comes into the shop goes through a thorough inspection and test drive. While doing so, we found a few issues that we will be repairing on top of getting all the scheduled maintenance caught back up to date. Basic tune-up, new battery, oil change, rear differential is leaking. In order to do this repair, the rear leaf spring needs to come out. While doing so, we noticed all the bushings are deteriorating and falling apart, so they are all being replaced with new ones. Bringing the stability of the rear suspension back from the loose feeling it had on the test drive back to the way it should be from the factory. Everything back there is taken care of and back in working order. In addition to these issues, we also found the original Rochester carburetor leaking all over the motor. We decided to go ahead and swap this thing over to fuel injection and put a Holley Sniper kit on it. We wanted to make this car more user-friendly and improve the reliability and drivability of this timeless classic. Currently, this car is for sale in our performance car dealership. Go to www.blackdogperformancecars.com to schedule a test drive or check this thing out today.